Hello everyone, my name is Kishore Kumar. I am from Jharkhand and I have completed MCA from Sikkim Manipal University, and I have joined in Vision TechnoServe, and I have joined in Vision TechnoServe with a vision of trained way incredibly very good, and in fact of non technical candidates also easy for understand, because the training concept is very nice, and I appreciate their efforts, and I am very happy. I share with you, I got placed in HCL. Salary is 3.5 LPA, and I am very appreciate. I am very thankful for revision. Basically, I am credit on Tarun sir, and thank you so much for whole revision team. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.